No me gusta decepcionar. Hi everyone. The word of the day is decepcionar. Decepcionar. This is a Spanish verb and it means to disappoint. Decepcionar is also similar to the phrasal verb to let down. Obviously, Spanish verbs work with feminine and masculine nouns. Now, let's see a few examples. La película me decepcionó. La película me decepcionó. No te voy a decepcionar. No te voy a decepcionar. Cuento contigo. No me decepciones. Cuento contigo. No me decepciones. El partido de fútbol decepcionó a varias personas. El partido de fútbol decepcionó a varias personas. Okay, that was the Spanish word / verb of the day. I hope you liked this video. Also, don't forget to leave me more examples down below. I always love to read your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!